Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay. This is my channel Make Money with Video, but I make videos how to make money with printables as well as KDP. Yeah, so like your books on Amazon and your printables over on Etsy. But this is my channel, and if you want to come and check it out, feel free. Today's video, we're going to look at how to make money on Etsy in the UK, guys. I live in the UK, and I've just started to create printables for Etsy as well as on Amazon, and I've started to make sales, guys, on Amazon. And if you look, this is my shop. I've made some revenue. It's not much. I can't retire yet, but 2 orders today, guys. The last 7 days, I've made 5 orders, making £10. Yeah. Overall, I've not long started it. I've sold 12 items, making £23. Now, all I'm doing, guys, is creating printables, yeah? Just like A4 size printable, yeah? Uploading it to Etsy. And, they're selling, guys. I'm going to show you how to make them as well, guys. So if we come over to this program here, it's called Crispy Prints, yeah? And all you do... you can look how to do it all on Etsy, on Pinterest, and on your own e-commerce site if you've got your own website and that. I'm going to show you. It's so simple, guys. Yeah. So you can click on like your show bundle, your busy book bundle, your dice prints, your flag banners, your S-tail banners, the road trip bundle, and the Xmas bundle are like an upgrade, guys. So if you purchase this product and you want the Xmas bundle and the road trip bundle, you've got to there's an upsell, so you've got to pay for that. But I'm going to show you the Xmas bundle because this is the one I use all the time. Yeah, I love Christmas, and I love creating these kind of games. Now, it's so simple. 3 steps, 1, 2, and 3, obviously. What you do, you click on this bit, you grab your background template, and what it does, you download it, and I upload it to Canva. Yeah, so this is the template. Then what I do, I just create another page. So I've got like a blank page there. Yeah. I get this, come over to lines and shapes, get this box here, and I just go over this like that, yeah? Try and get it on the line. I copy it, paste it on here, right? Then I just want a background, so let's go to photos, we'll type in Christmas, yeah, because it's going to be Christmas here, and just want one what looks... I use this one all the time for the videos, but I'll just try something different, yeah? I don't know, say for instance that one, yeah? Yeah, so you can see it just jumps in there like that. What we'll do, I change the colour to this back to white. You can have it any colour you want, but you'll see why I like it white in a minute. But then say for instance I want to make another one, I just copy that like that, and then you get another background like that, yeah? And so on. Let's try that one. Yeah, so you can just choose one, whichever you want, guys. Whichever you think is going to look best. Like you could even do this one if you wanted, but it won't. Yeah. Let's just try that one. So, yeah. This is the one I always use. But just you play around with it. Anyway, then what you do is delete that a minute. Right, then you want like a character here. So this is your theme. So you could make a Christmas theme, but you can have it like you can have a snowman theme. You can have a Santa theme. Right? Let's just have a look. Come off this. Go to elements. Type in Christmas. Yeah, Christmas tree. Yeah, or Santa. I'll have a Christmas tree one. Yeah. So all you do, you put it in this little box here. You want it, so you don't want it so it's coming out of this like little this little box, yeah. So copy it, paste it, and there you go. You got it all open ready, yeah. Right now, these are the games. These are the like templates I'm going to use, right? But you can also add your own stuff in it. So if you don't want to use Crispy Prints, all you need to do is look. I've made like a tree maze, and I've used the same tree, yeah. Then I've done like a hangman. I mean, you could put the tree in if you wanted, yeah. these are just some examples what you can do. You can make your own little games up, but it can take time. If you're not creative enough and you can't be bothered, that's fine. Come over to, I'm going to download page 2, yeah? So let me just quickly download page 2, and you'll see how easy it is. I'm not sure if I just cancelled that then. All right, yeah, it's downloading. So come back over to Crispy Prints, and look where it says click here to upload image. All I'm going to do is drag this image there, yeah? And then it'll upload. It should show in a minute, yeah? Yeah, so it's there, right? We can change the colour of that if you want. I'm just going to change it to like a green because we're using Christmas trees, yeah? So let's have we'll have that, yeah? Select it, right? Then you can click all these. These are 14 different games, yeah? As we showed you in this, yeah, there's like 14 different games in that shower bundle. There's quite a lot in that bundle. Road trip bundle is 14, yeah? So you can click them all if you want. And then so you can select them all, right? And then you can click create bundle, right? But for sake of this video, because it'll take a bit longer than what you want to be sat around waiting, right? Let's just click, I don't know, click one. We'll click 2, yeah, so we can show different ones. Or maybe 3, yeah? Yeah, let's do that. Create bundle. And then you're just going to wait for it, guys. It shouldn't take too long. But if you're looking for some extra done for you stuff, right? I'll leave another link in the description. Come over to this, and it's called the Christmas present. You're going to get 10 colouring book interiors, so you can upload them to Amazon KDP. 25 Christmas printable games, so you're going to get these Christmas games I've just shown you on Christmas prints, but also like more than your 14 of Christmas print. You're going to get a lot more, yeah? You're going to get 61 social media posts, so you can sell them on Etsy. You can bundle them up, bundle them 5, 10s, 20s, or even all 61, and this game's loaded, right? So here's, let me just shrink it a little bit so you can see it a bit better. Get rid of that. So this is your Christmas Would You Rather, yeah? And look, here's our Christmas tree, and it's Christmas Would You Rather. There's green writing, the text, yeah? And there you go. So here's our second one, Merry Christmas ABCs with our Christmas tree, yeah? And these are it's how quick it prints them out. So if we were to click that 14, it would have easily clicked it. Then all you do then, guys, is you go back over to Canva, yeah? You change the background, or you keep the same background if you want. Change the image, right? Come back over to Crispy Prints and print them out again. So you're going to have a different theme, yeah? So you'll have Santa or Snowman or whatever you want, yeah? And then you can sell different bundles. You can sell these on its own. It's on its own, yeah? Or you can sell it as all 3 of these. I can sell all these 3, or I can sell it in a bundle of 14, or I can sell it individually. It's up to you guys. Then you change the icon, whatever, the image, and the background, and you have different themes. And that's how you make it. That's make more money, guys, because you're going to have more listings and you're going to make more money. Now, let's go back to this. So this is another thing. This is the Christmas present if you want lots more stuff done for you. So you're gonna get lots of extras, yeah. So this is some of the stuff you'll get, like these are your extras, like your wish list and this or that, Santa's letter to Santa. These are some of the books you're gonna get. You're gonna get the interiors. These are the books I sell currently. These are some of the games you get, the 25 games, yeah. So I've done different backgrounds, different games, yeah. Different themes and that, yeah. So you get 25 of these games. You get social media posts, and you get 10 books, yeah. So you get these 10 books. So you get your this is my bestseller, Christmas colouring book, ugly sweater Christmas colouring book, yeah. Then you get your cat's Christmas. So you get a dog's Christmas colouring books for kids, superheroes, cars, Santa around the world, your Bible, and your blank comic book, yeah. So you get all them, yeah. So you get learning books, you get colouring books, journals, games, Santa. That's a Christmas present. Links in the description for that, yeah. But the upsell for this, if you want even better, guys, is how about 290 more presents? So having more upsells, yeah. So you're going to get 10 baby shower game bundles. So do you know in the Crispy Prints you can get baby shower? Well, I've created 10 different themes, yeah. So you've got like your giraffe, you've got your unicorn, you've got your crocodile, yeah, your dog, and I've created each one of these. I've created 14 games for it, yeah. Not so you get them all. These are samples, yeah. Then I've also created the road trip bundle. So on the Crispy Print, if you want the road trip bundle, you've got to pay for the upsell. I've created the 10 different games, yeah, with 10 different bundles with 14 games in each one, yeah. So you get all these different ones, your road trip ones, yeah. That's 20 games bundles with 14 games each. So you can sell them individually, you can sell them as bundles, you can sell them as you can split them up and sell them as pairs, yeah. Then you also get 10 extra book interiors, guys. So that is it for today's video, guys. This is how I'm making money on Etsy in the UK. So feel free to comment below, ask me any questions you want. Check out the links for Crispy Prints and for the Christmas present, guys. They are both awesome and they both can help you save a lot of time and make money. Now, look, I've only just started with Etsy and I'm making money already. It's that simple. And it's passive income, guys, because you create it once, you upload it, and then you can just forget about it because people just buy it. It automatically gets downloaded to them. And then you can carry on just creating new ones. Like I said, you come to Canva, keep changing this background and that, and then you can also add your own in as well. So you've got your 14 games, and then if you want to add more in, you can do, guys. Yeah, you create your own. Like I've done trees, put a tree maze there, call it tree maze. And that's in another game. You can put like a paper game, like with Hangman, yeah, and make it Christmas theme. You can do all sorts, guys, can't you? Well, that is it, guys, for today's video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. I'm only a small channel, and I appreciate the support. But feel free to check out these. I've got other how to make money on Etsy. I've got the Christmas present reviews and just lots more, guys. Different party games and how to make money with videos, as well as on Amazon KDP. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time.